Let's say there's a theft at a high-end department store downtown. Within minutes, patrol arrives, investigators respond, and the RTCC pulls surveillance footage. Leadership quickly suspects this may be part of a larger organized retail theft crew operating across jurisdictions. Normally, this leads to fragmented communication. Detectives text photos, analysts email bolos, dispatch relays updates over radio, and agencies unknowingly work the same suspects separately. With Genasys Evertel, agencies operate through LEON, the law enforcement-only network, a secure, CJIS-compliant statewide intelligence sharing system. As the incident unfolds, an incident room is created in LEON. Detectives, RTCC personnel, dispatch supervisors, crime analysts, and neighboring agencies are immediately connected. Crime analysts push new intelligence from Peregrine into the room, including suspect vehicles, prior incidents, associates, and travel patterns. At the same time, agencies report ALPR hits on the same vehicle, with locations instantly shared across the region. Dispatch receives updates in real time and relays them directly to patrol. Officers no longer wait for emails or delayed bolos. They receive live intelligence as the situation develops. Surveillance images and video are uploaded directly into the room, allowing agencies to recognize suspects and contribute additional case information. Instead of disconnected investigations, agencies operate from one shared, real-time intelligence picture. Every message, image, video, and update is automatically captured, searchable, and exportable for prosecution. That's Leon through Evertel, faster intelligence sharing, coordinated response, and unified operations statewide. Want to learn more? Go to genasys.com/Evertel to get started.